So good day everyone. So I'm Wesley Libusta from BSIT 3A. So in our case study number one, we've been tasked to record SQL injection in Altera Mutual website. So in this video, I'll show how SQL injection works by exploiting the Altera Mutual's login form. So try to bypass this and discuss how to prevent such vulnerabilities. So let's start. First, we'll try a fake username and password. So as you can see, our logging attempt is failed. And now we'll try SQL injection attack. And we will copy this and we'll serve also as our password. So as you can see, the attack bypassed the authentication, logging us as an admin or user. So the query that we select from username where user where as this serve as our username and also our password like this. And when you use this, the Alterometer's login form will always be true and it will grant us accessing the login form. So why why we s- why we bypass the logins form? So this site fails to filter special characters and allowing us as a attacker to manipulate the SQL query. So the impact of this is unauthorized access, data thief, and database deletion. So to prevent the SQL attack injection, we will use a prepared statement to separate the code and data, and also apply a web application firewall to detect the block and malicious payloads. That's all. Thank you.